so sorry. What do you do? Your mother.
We did it.
I repeat, cum does not work. Ow. Oh. I put my dick in a bun. Oh, fuck. I forgot to get the camera. No. I just ripped a fucking hole through space and reality. Show you my dog. I worry about where the bubbles are coming from my vagina. Like, if I would sniff this in real life, I think I would just undress. Fully. Bye bye, Goofy.
I don't know where the other hand is. I found one near me. I found one near me.
I didn't know you could do that. You can't prove wrong. You can't prove me wrong. Not me licking my lips as I find out if the statue has nipples. Well, you can break a penis.
Wait, are you gonna watch me whilst you shower?
None of you guys blow me, so. Sleece.
You will pet my fucking bird.
Fuck it. I confuse mothers with cum every time. Capture now, I'm gonna kill you. Yep. Oh, you can. Oh shit, he's sturdy with it, bro. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Big pog for your mum. I can't believe I just said that. Not keen. Hey, relax. Oh, fuck that. Her fucking boobs just started shaking. Thanks. Into the van. No. What? Oh. There's no shot. Someone in the science team just went, damn, that shit hot as fuck, dude. I'm gonna call it sexy shrimp. Like, what the fuck? Like, hello. Hi. Hope everyone's doing well, hope everyone's doing good, hope everyone's doing fantastic. Welcome to the Based Olaf stream. Welcome to the Sunday stream. Welcome to the stream on the Sunday. Today we're gonna be video gaming. Today we're gonna be doing Split Fiction. You know how it be, you know how it is. We're playing video game. And yeah, let's see, is May ready for a call? Okay. Hello?
Oh.
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 Oh, you ready for video gaming?
I guess so. I don't know if my controller's working.
That's not good. That is quite the predicament.
Oh.
I'm holding. I mean, while you do that, I'm gonna Move the camera around. There's the camera. Chat box go here. Yeah, that's fine. Hello, K-Sound. Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Is it working?
To be determined.
Ah, great. Alright, well. Let's wait.
This cord was literally working last time.
Maybe unplug from the PC?
I've done that several times.
Okay. Technical issues, but what's a base live stream without technical issues?
Maybe, hold on. Maybe it's...
Maybe it's... Hello, okay, so hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. Oh.
Hello.
Hello?
Hi.
I don't know what happened.
Okay, well it's working now.
That's probably what happened.
I was in the call.
I was in the call as well.
I was in the call.
Yeah, well, I was in the call as well.
Somebody's Discord is lying.
Maybe, potentially. Good playing Loop Hero while waiting for D&D, fair enough. Very fair. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Continue. Let's go!
I forget what we're doing.
Me too.
Great.
I think this is the Mega Man thing. We're shooting like from blasters.
Oh.
If call is on Discord, then it's on them. Discord loves doing that. Both parties connected, but they just can't hear each other until when we join. It's stupid. I mean, Discord loves fucking up a lot of times.
Mm-hmm. Whoop. Nope, nope, nope. Alright.
Do you remember how to play this game?
No.
Same. Oh.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, I think
Wait,
you
what
just
is-
have to
what
double
is-
jump and dash.
What's the dash one again?
Square?
I figured it out.
Okay.
Go here.
Yeah, it's this way. I think it's not the other way.
Hold on. Waiting for my platform.
I think we need to split up.
No! Oh my god! Split fiction!
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh.
Alright, well, yeah. Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, you have to
It's
do your left trigger.
this one?
Yeah.
This one. No! Okay.
Oh, you gotta.
And I got it. It's gotta be quick. Okay. I got it. I got it.
Run! No!
I got it, don't worry.
Remember to run.
Bruh.
Yeah, let's go. Oh,
Wait, are we trapped? It's probably nothing. I hope.
oh no.
I don't recall writing this. Ah!
Oh,
Oh, okay.
alright. How you doing? Hope you're doing well.
Whoa! Blast it, Mio!
Ah!
Blast the force field, Mio!
Ah! Ah!
Oh, oh.
Field zone.
Master force field up.
I'm
Oh.
trying.
Up. I can't. Oh, there we go. Oh.
Alright.
Guys, hello, Ryan. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. Hope your stream went well yesterday.
Whoa!
Sorry, I didn't manage to. Okay. Sorry, I didn't manage to stop by.
Ah!
Oh. Okay. Well.
Well, I shot. Okay.
Whoa! Whack it!
Oh my God. Oh.
Dang it! Oh, come on!
I did.
What the fuck?
Side scroller again.
Okay, there we go. Oh.
Oh, I hate it.
Prepare yourself. This is some dangerous
We're
territory.
playing. We're playing Metroid.
Okay. Pressure makes diamonds. Sure
It went super well. No worries. There will be more opportunities. Absolutely can't wait. But hell yeah! What did you? You said you were building Lego, right? What Lego did you build? I think we have to.
Go down.
Yeah. Not like me.
Enemy up ahead.
Okay.
Oh, I think I get it. We have to time it.
We have to.
Yeah, so
Oh,
put
do
the.
we need to put it on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We need both of them on there. And then you're gonna do yours first.
Here we go.
Nice. Okay, we both have to go in.
That's pretty cool. Let's go me. Oh, like an energy field sofa. Watch out!
Oh, it's you. You gotta.
It is. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we did it.
Never mind.
Yeah, I've been in building and running out the night with some Sonic. Oh yeah, maybe a little record player. Well, as in like that you built a record player. I think I remember that set. What the fuck is this? Oh,
Portal.
portal. Oh, hold on.
We got company.
Oh,
Oh, I see.
this. Oh,
Boss room.
Again. Yes, rock his ass. Bye-bye.
nice.
Just in pieces.
Yeah, a little Lego one. I didn't know there was a Lego, like a small Lego one. I only know the the big one. At least I think so. Okay, it does. It's on the timer.
What?
Well, wait for me.
Maintain focus.
Oh shit. Oh.
Don't let us!
Oh, you gotta shoot it.
I do mine, you do yours. Okay, that makes sense.
Get in.
Oh, I thought we just were gonna shoot something.
Come on.
Brett.
Send it to you on Discord so I can see it later. I'll see it now whilst I have the time.
Hey!
Oh, that's cute. That's an adorable one. Oh.
Keep coming! We need to get out of here!
Oh.
Nope.
Oh.
Concentrate!
Oh, you have to go. You have to dash to the other one. There you go.
Okay, my turn.
What?
Nope. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Well, you didn't wait the other time.
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know what the fuck is going on.
Do it right.
Okay, when I go out the middle one.
I keep going.
Yeah, you just keep going.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay. Bruh.
There we go. Let's go. Good job. Oh. Oh.
Great work, Zoe. What can I say? I'm a natural born killer. Who knew?
Oh shit, boss fight. Took me forever to get past this part. Yeah, it seems a little bit difficult. Oh, oh.
Eyes from Christmas! Those rocket eyes!
Alright.
Bruh, I hate this stupid green shits.
This boss fight is sick. It is. Oh, 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 oh.
I keep thinking I'm you, Jesus.
It's okay. I got this. Oh, it's puking.
Ew! Oh, it's just some acid reflux.
Oh, oh, oh.
Hey, we need to help each other out.
Uh-oh. There we go. Oh shit, run! Oh! Yeah, this is a pretty good boss fight as well. They know how to do their boss fight. Oh, from this point of view?
I'm already struggling, please.
Oh, you have to grab it. You have to grab it. Shoot it first and then grab it. Oh, no. Oh! Oh. Now it's me. It's you next. Oh! Oh! Oh, I'm so.
Just keep firing.
Oh no.
Really not now.
Oh. Oh.
Hold on. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no. When is it gonna put us? Okay, good.
Right here, as it should.
Shut the door on him.
Oh. Survive.
Yeah.
Uh oh.
No.
Behead him. Behead him. Just like the French Revolution.
Brutal. You're quite the gunslinger, Zoe. gunslinging movies, aren't you?
You mean westerns? No.
Are you sure?
Pick up your eye.
Okay, got my eye. Now what?
Or we fly.
They're jetpacks.
But of
Great.
course,
Grip!
is what?
Into westerns. Didn't realize the gunslinging detail snuck its way in when I wrote this.
Well, I like it. Makes the story more personal.
I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Now, buckle up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeehaw, ma'am!
Oh, stop it.
Okay, I need to. Sorry.
Bruh.
Bruh. I'm gonna turn up the volume a little bit.
So, where to? To the top floor. Then let's soar to the skies.
Oh. Oh, we can just. Okay.
Don't forget to dash.
Up.
Let's go. Oh!
Man, these jetpacks rule!
Oh, fuck it, okay. Okay, let's go to. Uh-oh. Yeah, there's a side story here.
You didn't expect us to have jetpacks, did you now, Sawblade?
No! No!
Well,
Okay. Made it. You making biscuits? Yeah. Making biscuits. Sorry. Nugget was doing nugget things.
mm-hmm.
It was
Oh
a dark and stormy night.
no!
No, too cliche. Once upon a time. Yes, much better. Once upon a time, there were two heroes
Yep.
who were walking in a forest. Yes.
All right. Lord of the
All of
Rings
a
ass
sudden-
music.
A call to adventure. Oh no! I have terrible news! Our prince has been captured.
Okay.
The duo took action as fast as they could.
Now what's up there? Nothing.
Oh,
Oh.
no! Enemies! Our heroes need a
Oh.
weapon. How about swords?
Ah!
No, swords have been done. Ooh, they could wield nunchucks. Nunchucks rule.
Right.
Nunchucks
No.
don't really fit, do they?
No.
Those are cooler.
No.
We need new enemies. How about the birds?
Oh.
Pew pew! So cool.
No. Not bows.
Not so cool. I hate bows.
That must be crossed.
I hate bows in video games.
But a Cyclops is guarding it. Halt thee! You must solve my riddles 3.
First, what is brown and sticky?
Stick.
Yes, a stick. I do agree. A second riddle. What will it be? How many jumps you jumped is key.
How many jumps do you think we've jumped? We've jumped a lot.
Yeah, I've jumped a lot. I'll do this.
Vellum.
Correct. I can't believe you jumped that many. For my final riddle, please tell me, what color is my favorite? E.
Well, this is subjective. This is not a riddle.
Can you shoot him in the eye?
Blog! No. No, this is all too violent.
Oh!
Okay, let's try again. Okay, new idea. Do we really need two heroes? What if? What if instead there was a noble steed? Yes! One of them could be a horse!
Alright. Go.
Yes, brilliant.
Literally as fast as I can go, man.
Okay, a good story needs a misty mountain.
Look at your goofy face.
No
Look at your
horse.
goofy face.
Horses can't climb. A tricky climb awaits. Smash!
What?
Yikes. Try not to fall.
Fucking... What is it? I'm getting over it.
Yeah.
Ah! I fell.
Watch
Oh.
out! A boulder!
Woo! Close call.
Let's go.
Oh dear, the mountain has become far too steep for our heroes to climb. Surely the goats of the mountain will lend a hoof.
Yo! Let's go.
Oh my god. Skyrim in it.
Whoa!
Gotta go fast.
Sonic reference! Wow!
Whoa.
Ryan, you must have pogged during that.
Eventually, our heroes reach the mountain summit. Yay! A dark cave is revealed.
Oh.
Our heroes enter the cave. Spikes! Ouch!
Oh.
We reach the bottom of the cave. Everything goes dark. Darkness. Very scary.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
The cave is a very dangerous place.
Thank you,
Filled with
subtitles.
bats.
Oh, no.
Our heroes may need bows after all.
What is that? A mighty gate! Help me! Help me! The prince is tied up. But, something has captured the prince. A demon, a crab, or a duck. I see. The big duck appears.
Get him!
Quack, quack.
Get him!
Bro sat on me. Nope.
Stop! What was I thinking? A duck? Maybe something else.
Grab.
Crab.
Of course, a giant enemy crab appears. Sit, sit, sit.
Hell yeah, let's go.
Glorious. I knew I could count on you.
Oh!
Good.
Grab.
Boat. In the boat?
No.
Can I swim with him on my back? Okay. I'm strong as shit, apparently.
Apparently. What's over there?
If I run in circles and make him dizzy.
No. Oh. Hello, Steampunk Crow. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. You are here. Hello. Alright, let's boat off into the sunset.
And the two heroes, now champions, set sail and took the prince back home.
We did it! Yay!
Yeah.
Was that your attempt to make a children's story? A successful attempt, I'd say.
Hell yeah. I'm really anxious today about OVO, okay? I'm sorry to hear that you're anxious.
That one. You love all your ideas.
But I'm glad you're doing okay overall.
Nope. Come on.
Oh, there I go.
Come on. Yep.
Okay. You have to go in front of it. No! Wait for me.
I'm waiting.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Charged up.
There we go.
Ah! I didn't make it.
Oh, more trouble inbound.
It's okay, I made it.
Well, that doesn't matter. I still have to
Stay away.
I need to turn you up. I do apologize.
Sorry. Let me move the microphone.
It's okay. Okay. Ow!
Yep.
Bye bye. Watch out for the drones. No, no, bullet. Ah, come on. Yeah, angels of death.
Anything else? Just in case. No. Okay. We have to go there. You have to place the charge
Oh, I
before.
see. I see.
Okay. Let's just wait. Okay.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
Yep.
Bruh! I literally did this perfectly. Why? What is happening? Okay. Good lord.
Now I'm okay.
Okay. Ready.
Ready.
Go.
Let's go. Oh shit.
My tank's getting empty, Zoe.
Oh shit. I didn't realize they were the.
Bye bye, Jetpack Eye.
No!
Thank God.
So sad.
I just need a minute. Yeah. Kicking mech ass sure is exhausting. Yes, that's not the reason. I know.
Crazy. I'm gonna write a book about sleeping. I'm gonna go to this publisher, and that's it.
Let's finish
I'm gonna sleep all of the time.
And rip the band-aid off.
Finally.
Sleep.
Kofi only had two very different reactions on abandoning the jetpack. Yeah, it's because I had fun with it. May did not.
I had fun. Shoot the goop.
Shoot the goop.
Okay. This is it. Is that creature the source of the toxins? This is where the mechs keep him.
Him?
They captured and tortured him to siphon his lifeblood.
How cheerful.
That poor thing.
Yeah. You probably already guessed it, but
I had a pet squid.
I sort of based the story around my dad.
Oh, that's lame.
Bruh.
Ever since he got diagnosed, all these visits to the hospitals, medicines, treatments. It doesn't matter what we try, it just keeps on spreading. Seems like all we can do now is wait for the inevitable. It might be tomorrow. Next month, 6 months, who knows?
Are you alone in all of this? What about your mother? Your family?
It has always just been me and my dad.
I'm sorry.
All I can do is write this silly story where I get to save him.
Damn, your dad an octopus? Goddamn.
No one should have to go through that. Much less alone.
I don't want to stay here, Zoe. I want to leave.
Then let's do that.
That's our escape! Go!
Jet skis. Very conveniently placed jet skis.
There he goes!
Bye-bye.
He'll guide us out of here! Follow him!
They should kiss.
But I gotta say, that was
Oh.
really nice of you. What did I do?
Uh,
Opening up your feelings like that. I feel honored now, Zoe.
Only if they want. Wee.
Whoa, he's impressive. Show them your strength.
Duh.
Oh. Okay, thanks, game.
They're like spawning you out in like really bad points.
This place to shreds! Whoa! This place is about to crumble!
Ow. Thank you, octopus. Shit, what? On the water. Under the water. Whee!
That's how we do it!
Oh.
Burn this place
Whee!
down!
Oh. Thank you, Octopus Man, for opening it up.
Thank you! I think I spot the exit!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh. We did it.
Yippee!
They should consensually kiss. Exactly. They should consensually kiss if they are both interested in each other.
Whoa! Now that's a breakout!
Zoe. You might be the first person who's seen this side of me. I'm not used to
Why is she
strangers
looking
being
at her like that? Why is she like,
kind.
what the fuck?
Really? I know, I'm such a downer. It's just that Dad means the world to me. It's so unfair. And there's this anger growing inside of me. I feel trapped. It's like I'm lost in the dark. I don't know what to do.
No, silly, that's called.
Who wouldn't be overwhelmed by it all?
I'm not gonna finish that sentence.
It makes you human.
See, you're the bad friend that she's talking about.
Someone's sure enjoying their freedom.
I just wish it was true in the real world.
Bro, why are you moaning?
He's happy to be free.
Fucking clearly.
Hope you and your father
Considering he's moaning.
Thanks.
You can't see it, but I'm shaking my head.
You know what, Neil? You're starting to make a little more sense to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And for what it's worth, I don't think you're a downer.
Oh, there they go. Okay. Under the sea. We were under the sea for a second. Whoa.
What is going on?
Down here, I am the one Interesting news.
Okay, he sounds serious.
Whatever. Let's bounce.
Here, here.
No, 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 no!
We got him. They're locked in.
System failsafe mode is active, sir.
Oh yeah.
Our window of opportunity is now.
Finally, initiate repair protocol.
No.
No!
What's happening? It looks like it's healing itself.
Good luck reaching that glitch now, huh?
Why are you even doing this?
Can't you see that I'm doing society a favor? I'm the good guy here.
I seriously doubt that.
What you're witnessing down there is but a taste of what my machine can do. I will change the entire industry. I just need to gather enough stories, and my machine will be fully operational.
By stealing them?
I'm not surprised that you narrow-minded amateurs can't comprehend the majesty of what I'm trying to achieve here.
What? All I see is another big corporation screwing over the little guy.
Yeah, how original.
It doesn't matter what you think. All you have to do now is sit tight and witness as I fully
Sit
restore my
tight.
machine.
I don't know why he said
and
all
put an
fucking
end to your
down.
insignificant little uprising.
Wait, what is this thing?
No idea, but it can't be good. Let's look around, Zoe. There's gotta be a way to find that glitch.
Sure.
Oh look, oddly placed platforms that look like.
Is it just me? Or is Raider losing his mind?
I've got a feeling that he might have lost it a while ago.
Your stories are simply a part of a much larger plan.
With or without our consent?
The ego on this guy.
Your creative power only meant anything when you were hooked up to my machine.
I can't believe Raider thinks he's the good guy.
Hasn't every villain in history believed that about themselves?
You gotta. Oh. Hello.
Oh. Oh.
What?
Sorry. I didn't know that's what that was.
No, it's okay. I was waiting for you. I was like, in tune.
This isn't just about
sorry.
your story.
It's okay.
It's about harnessing.
Hello, Oros. How you doing? Hope you're doing well.
Sure, and then what?
Well, I can produce masterpieces at the touch of a button.
All for a hefty fee, I presume.
Oh. Okay, we'll just tell him what platform, and then jump here, and then just stay here. This is the end game? I don't think it is.
Whoa, the tether! The tether! Wait, wait!
Oh. Okay, so we can't separate too far.
Oh yeah.
Upon completion, everything this machine will be able to create will be an instant work of art.
Art is subjective.
I strongly disagree.
That is what I'm supposed to do, isn't it? Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
Just get on. What does that do? Oh.
Yeah.
Got it.
Tether.
Nothing will be able to match the speed
No shit.
and imagination of what my machine can produce.
You can't monopolize.
Nope.
Okay, let's.
Raider.
Oh, but I can.
go here. I reckon we can get to like the
far one?
Yeah, the far left one.
Okay.
Let's go. And then let's just get to this one. Buggy.
Nope.
Damn.
Nope. Oh my god.
Stupid amateurs.
I just gotta stop double jumping. It's a problem.
Yep. Oh god, it's one
I've
of
worked
these.
on this for 20 years. Nothing will stop me now.
Man, listen to yourself.
And I'll do whatever it takes to realize my vision.
We'll see about that. You thinking what I'm thinking? Yep, eagle mode.
Okay.
Okay, well, I was gonna wait. Okay, no. Oh.
You're merely shadows trying to stand against the sun. Soon I'll dominate the entire market. All stories will belong to me forever.
Can we mute this guy already? I wish.
Once I've dealt with you two and this stupid perch, I will finish what I started.
That's some nasty low res wedges.
Buggy. What? What?
Oh, I fell. I fell. I fell.
Noobs! Brother.
Go.
Okay. Okay.
Careful with the bungee cord.
Ah! Whoa, whoa. Okay.
Hey, wait a minute. How did they end up there?
Keep it up.
What are you doing? I ordered you to stop right now.
Oh, okay. I don't know if you
have to run.
You see the thing in the middle. We have to avoid that.
Yeah.
So we have to get on the platforms, wait until that goes. No.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
I see, I see, I see. Okay. And platform?
Mm-hmm.
Glitch. 12 o'clock.
And
Go.
okay.
Isolate the glitch. Don't
And then once again. Just wait. Then go.
Go.
Home stretch, Mio.
expand the platforms. Separate them from the glitch. Now.
Run, Zoe!
Stop them. Stop them now.
Ah!
Wow.
Kendrick Lamar in that one album. Thank you for the hydration. Hydrating right now.
failsafe deactivated.
We didn't have enough time to restore the machine, sir.
Impossible!
Woohoo! We did it!
Come on, Zoe, grab the glitch!
Suck it, Raider!
Come on!
Yeah.
Oh.
Are we Power Rangers?
No,
Oh no,
Sailor
we're
Moon.
Magical Girls.
Holy.
Ow.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
What? I feel like we can handle any curveball Raider throws at us.
Jesus Christ, what the fuck happened? Well, it'll be great if my Steam... Okay, well, there you go. I hate OBS, but we move on right now. Oros, thank you very much for gifting a sub to Minecrafter Pat. Free welcome to Babushka's house on my channel. I hope you enjoy your stay. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you much for the gifted sub. Oros, big hype in the chat, means a hell of a lot. What waifu /Amanda would you like if you would like any? Okay.
You won't give up so easily.
Maybe not, but I choose to believe. What?
No way! Zoe, maybe get me up to speed?
Dragon.
So this story is based on mine and Ella's upbringing, how we grew up and overcame every obstacle together.
Wasn't your shape-shifting story also inspired by your sister?
Yeah? We're twins.
Oh. That makes sense.
Does it?
So,
Does it?
what do we do now?
Does it?
I need to get into character.
What does it have to do with...
I don't know.
Okay.
Just wanted to cause a bit of chaos. Okay, well, fair enough. You did cause a little bit of chaos because like I said, I can't see the notifications whatsoever. I can hear them, so it jump scares me. Oh, are we gonna try dragons?
Dragon is the only part I've been fucking waiting for this whole game.
Adventure lies ahead. Take the dragon eggs.
Dragon eggs.
Yeah, I wrote me and Ella as dragons.
So we're doing dragons.
Can't have fantasy without dragons now, can we?
Save the world's last 2 dragons from extinction. Fate lies in thy hands.
I'm dragging these nuts across your face.
It? No detail on the whole extinction part?
Don't worry, I know what to do. Grab that bag. Okay, you take the Ella egg.
Ooh, it's heavy.
Just don't drop it.
Gotcha.
Adventure time. We're in a fallen kingdom of dragons, and we're here to make sure they aren't lost forever.
Look how pretty.
Right. What happened?
War. An ancient ancestor to the first dragon family turned on his kin, and the conflict left the world in ruin.
Pretty dark premise, Zoe. I like it.
I like it. How's the volume, by the way, gamers? I need to know. Can you say something, May?
Yeah. Hello.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, we're good.
Dragon.
Dragon. Can say that. Oh, I thought without eating a handful of cashews. I said I didn't.
Whoa, that's some OG skeleton.
All dragons might have fallen, but their spirits linger on.
Dragon.
Dragon.
Tiny feathered
So, upon
dragon.
completion, Raider's machine will eventually be able to take control of all creativity. Is that right?
That's what he claims. Changing storytelling forever.
Ugh,
And Raider will be behind the wheel of it all. No thanks.
Giving one company that amount of power sounds like a living nightmare.
Yeah, no. Let's not let that happen.
Good, good. Your face cam says you didn't. Yeah, well, who are you to say that this is not pre-recorded footage of the face cam? And I just knew exactly what I'm going to be saying. Oh, he's doing the Italian things. He's like,
oh my god,
Mamma
Italian
mia!
dragon.
It's an Italian dragon. I was like, Mamma mia!
Oh, hi, buddy.
Wee.
Ah! I dropped the egg.
That's a match my head. Okay. Alright, go forth. Who's ready for The Last of Us Season 2 tonight? But I'm playing Season 1 the game right now.
Eggs are quite useful.
Okay.
Yep.
I think I'll be happy not watching either of the seasons either way. Because one, obviously I'm playing Last of Us Part 1, but also I don't want to experience Last of Us Part 2 again. In any way, shape or form. This leads to nothing. Oh, we have to do it at the same time.
Oh, maybe. Okay. 3, 2, 1, you do it.
Olaf is my TV. Hell yeah, let's go. Me on the big screen. It's like the worst thing you could do.
What came out of that egg? As legend has it, it's the birthplace of the first primordial dragon mother, millennials ago. Huh.
Millennials? Fucking millennials.
So who's killing everyone?
Long story short, the bad guy's called the Megalith, who sought immortality. But in his greedy pursuit, he became corrupt, and war followed.
Bummer. So, how does this mega what's-its-face look like?
The Megalith? You're about to find out.
I am.
Oh, hi, buddy.
Oh, it's the Ender Dragon from Minecraft.
That's not Jesus.
That's Ender Dragon from Minecraft.
That's some serious trouble, Zoe! Yep! And he's
No shit.
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
That's some serious trouble, Zoe! Yes! And he's got a temper! Why can't those pillars be more stable?
Okay. 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 Thanks, game.
Which one's the left? I'm on the right.
Whoa, game, okay.
Bug.
Bug.
Bug. Double jump reminds me of a YouTube show I saw when one player tries to explain the concept of double jump to another player who thought it was BS. BS. Listen, double jump is crazy concept. Like, cause like, how the fuck do you actually double jump? Didn't you play the Zoe before?
Is it gone?
Which one's Zoe again?
Now.
The blonde.
Yeah, Zoe's on the right.
Did you have to make it so massive? You could have chilled with scale.
Well, in my defense, if something's gonna hunt dragons, it needs to be big.
I don't get it though. If you like dragons,
Love dragons.
love dragons, why make them extinct? What's the angle?
Growing up, sometimes it felt like it was just me and Ella against the entire world. But as twins, we always have each other's backs.
Must be nice to have backup.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's the
Yeah,
core
she's
of the
dead.
story. Facing life's adversity.
I do
No
think we're
matter
getting
the
to that
scale,
point. Is she is going to reveal she is dead.
Made that one smaller.
And then there's Ella. She's dead.
At least now you know what we're up against.
Yeah, but can't see how we possibly stand a chance against that thing.
Oh, we'll have some proper backup. Don't you worry.
Where's a bazooka when you need one?
The fuck? Oh, I think I get it. Do I? Okay. I made a fool of myself, silly. Did you forget?
I see. Okay.
Oh. Oh. Okay, so you have to.
I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it.
Did you think your left was your right by any chance? Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, you have to get here?
Oh, I have to get there too?
Yeah.
Bruh.
You have
Okay.
time, like relative time. Yeah, I did. Sometimes it be like that.
Fantastic. Welcome to the Cave of Cradles.
You're saying it like I should know what it means.
Just place your egg down there, and you'll see.
Right.
Surely there's a side story somewhere around here. Oh, we're getting on the boat.
Getting on the boat. Dragon?
Check this out.
Dragon? Dragon!
Hey there,
Cool.
little ones. Welcome to the world. It's okay. Come here.
Dragon, dragon,
Aren't
dragon.
you the cutest? Okay, hop in. Come on. Mio? Can't believe I'm agreeing to this.
I can't put the dragon in your sack. Grumpy.
Hey, stop licking.
Aww, I think she likes you.
Rely on thy dragons to make your way to the next temple.
This way.
I said no licking.
Get on. I'll push us out.
This
Where
is
are we going?
me and you and Lucy and Nugget.
Go.
Like, I genuinely have Nugget on my back. No, no.
I've been thinking about Raider.
Well, what about our favorite guy?
I mean, if
Okay.
he's been working on his machine for 20
I'm gonna
years.
keep right, you keep
Yeah.
left.
Yeah.
And then we
I don't
can
think there's
switch
anything he
when...
wouldn't do to protect it,
No matter the cost.
no matter the cost.
Too much.
Is it just me, or is the current speeding up?
The stream sure is picking up pace.
Ah! Okay.
Looks like we're in the clear.
This was a problem in A Way Out too.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Boat section was not fun.
Whatever you do, don't stop paddling. Shit! Faster! Faster!
Okay, we're going this way.
Is it on?
Okay.
Come on, just paddle!
Left.
Running out of our-
Alright, prepare for this to take a gajillion years. Alright.
Okay,
we
let's
going
just
left
go.
or right?
Let's go right on this one. We're going straight. Okay, we. Right. Okay, no, left, I guess. Okay, and now.
We're running out of River Zoe.
It's the waterfall!
Ah!
Can our little friends just maybe lend us a hand? Have some patience, they're just kids!
Left. shit.
Come on.
Oh, they had to bring it back.
Are you okay? Yeah. Yeah. We are.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I fly and you climb.
Did you see me? Or I mean us. Fly?
Well,
It wasn't
see you later.
flying, silly. It was gliding. Now, who's got the bestest tail?
My cat hopped on my shoulders when I was on the toilet the other day. Didn't know what to do when he did that. Oh, cats.
Have a bite, just don't drool on me.
Oh, who wants a treat?
All the food you want.
Go big and strong. That's crazy.
Huh. These dragons aren't completely useless. Oh, don't worry, little ones. It's Mia's way of saying thanks.
Oh.
Ah, okay. Sorry.
That's okay. That's to figure out one way or another. Please give us a side story. I'm scared that we're gonna miss one. I keep on actually being scared that we're gonna miss it.
No one's gonna judge you if you play around, you know. Yeah! Wow!
Oh shit. Oh.
Let's hope this thing still works. All right, ride's ready.
Oh, I see a side story.
Oh, look at you two getting along and all.
It's ahead of us.
Why is my dragon shaking, Zoe?
Oh my.
It's because the Ender Dragon is here.
We should be safe from here. I think. You think?
How the fuck do we get there? I'm guessing it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. Come here.
Oh, is this the side story way?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't think we could get close to... Ah!
Bye.
Rude. Haha, you can't do it without me.
You have to get back on the platform. We actually have to travel together.
Yeah, I know. Get off the platform. Dude.
Wait. No.
No, hold on. Can I glide? No, I can't glide this far.
Oh, no, hold on.
Holding.
We gotta think. So we have to be. Pull the lever and then like get back here as quick as you can.
Yeah, there we go.
Let's go. Oh, snow.
Snow.
Wait for us here. Don't move.
We'll be right back, cutie pies.
Ready?
Ready. Okay, Zoe. This idea is inspired by video games I played growing up.
Video games?
Get the
Was it
highest
Halo,
score,
maybe?
Get the win.
Wait, this is a competition.
You bet.
Snowboarding! Oh!
Snowboarding. Alright.
Alright. Okay. It's over.
It's
See you at the
over.
finish line. Not if I see you first. Here we go. All right. Hella slick. Come on. Woohoo! I'm on fire.
Shit.
This is about to get real. Shred it. Get ready, Zoe. Reach for the sky. Okay?
Let's fucking Go!
That was rad, Zoe! Ah! Jeez, those things are cute! Whoa, bring it on! I make this look easy.
Ah, rude.
No, I lost my combo.
Epic! We're almost at the minute.
Bruh.
Eyes on the prize! What a great ride!
Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Such a natural! Did you see me?
I just got unlucky.
Oh, sure. Let's blame it on luck.
I demand a rematch.
Anytime, Mio. Anytime.
Except not anytime, because we can't go back.
No.
I did not know you knew how to board, Zoe. Dude, please. Ah, another side story in the bag.
I'm happy I got to keep that one.
Shall we?
We shall.
That was cool. I enjoyed that. Alright, now we get on the golden
Have a
balls.
bite, just don't drool on me. Hey, we've got some flat rocks here.
Wait. Wait.
I rock! Literally.
I bet there's an achievement.
I mean, how many are we supposed to get? Because, like, I just got 5.
I don't know. Fog. Oh, okay. Oh. No. Shit. What?
Do not understand.
Do you maybe have to get on one of the pillars? For me, potentially?
Is this like a
Yeah.
plumbing system?
Flow that flow.
Okay, get on the other one. Hey,
Yeah. Then I guess you do something for me. Yeah. Well.
Okay, you
I
have
like
to
it.
be on it. Noted. Oh, big stretch. Alright, oh.
Bench.
I'm curious. How come you only write fantasy?
Because it's awesome.
Sure. But why?
Well, reality can be overwhelmingly harsh and cold from time to time.
Yeah.
Wouldn't the same question like be directed at you? Why you write science fiction?
Here, I get to write my stories, my happy ever after.
It's still fiction.
I guess it doesn't hurt that the genre usually is quite beautiful either, does it?
Yeah, but sci-fi is usually a bit more tied to realism, at least. There's like a small element of realism in sci-fi. It is science fiction.
I guess.
Yeah, mine too.
Alright.
Let's move.
All right, let's press on.
Let's.
Okay. Gotta get on that platform.
We got it. Whoa, whoa!
Jesus Christ. They can be annoyingly dense about the genres they only exclusively write about in this game, fucking apparently. Why do you? It's like... Oh. Like,
Looks like some lavish.
just genuinely, like, the same question could be asked of Neo, being like, hey, why do you just write that way? Well, there's so many other, like, avenues that you can write about. It's probably why they're not published writers. Probably not. Okay. Oh, that's me. Alright. Oh.
Sorry.
Okay. Alright, well, you're gonna have to look down and tell me.
L.
Is there anyone before that?
Hold on. Start again, hold on.
Okay, I'll just look at your screen, it's fine.
No, it's fine. I just didn't realize we were going again. Okay, P with a triangle. And a smiley face.
Smiley face?
Smiley face. Nope.
I don't have a smiley face.
Oh. Well. It would help if you had a smiley face. And then P.
No, you have to go to the other one.
And then ramen bowl. Okay, and then triangle, 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 not triangle. No, not triangle. Wait, not triangle. No. Okay.
That's some
Great.
geyser action.
I just looked at your screen. There was no way now.
Bro! If I look at this and there's only one triangle shaped one, I'm gonna be upset. This is the only triangle.
Yeah, but okay. Well, hold on. Let's see the last. Like.
The last one had 4 of them, and I told you 1. I said triangle.
Yeah, and there's another triangle like here as well. What do you want from me?
Which one is triangle?
Like this one. This has a triangle.
That's not triangle. That's P.
That's P.
It's different P.
Mm-hmm.
So, twins, huh? Well, me and Ella may look similar, but we are not the same. So she's the nice one? Hey, come on.
Disrespectful. Alright, see you. God, why are you going the same way as me?
Oh, this looks sort of familiar. You bet.
SMH. What is this?
There you go.
Oh. Oh, bye-bye.
Bath time.
Step back.
Oh, we're getting new abilities. Whoa!
Bing!
Holy shit! I'm gonna be roly-polying. Let's go.
You're gonna be roly-poly.
Come here.
Zoe? Let's go. How am I supposed to do that?
Just trust her, and she'll trust you.
Okay, easy girl.
Bless you.
Oh, steady. Steady, girl.
Now, faster and stronger. The path to the next temple shall be carved.
Okay. Hold on tight. Through the waterfall. Okay. Whoa. Easy. Easy. Easy.
Goofy air run, bruh. Goofy air run.
Yes.
Oh.
See you later.
Whoa, you spit acid? Alright.
Steady. Oh, steady.
Alright, see you later.
Oh, see you later.
Got claws.
Oh yeah, bro. Let's go.
You two look comfortable. It's like riding a bike, except it's alive, and it might kill me. Oh, you're not gonna get eaten.
Let's go.
Bum.
Bong. I think you might need to corrosive the metal chains.
All of them? Oh, and then we're... Okay, I see.
Mercy, 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 you.
So. Dragon.
Alright, see you later.
Oh, I popped the balloon thing.
What balloon thing? Huh?
Physics.
Why? Why is that physics?
Another sign that the realm is dying. So it's the megaliths doing.
Am I crazy? Why is that physics?
Physics. Yeah.
Wait.
Wait.
No. Go
I
on.
gotta get over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you might have to get closer. I'm gonna head out. My mom made dinner. Okay, enjoy your food. Thank you very much for stopping by. Take care. again. There you go. Oh, hello.
Path is clear. All right, let's roll out.
Okay, you're gonna have to spit corrosive on that. Let's go.
We've got incoming, Neo.
Oh shit.
Stay calm.
I'll see you later.
Oh,
I think you have to fly.
Megalith down from the skies.
Ooh, I think I'm finding some rhythm to this dragon thing.
That looks delicious.
Okay.
All set.
Ready?
Oh, God.
Let's go.
That got me dizzy.
Nope. Very good. No.
No. Oh,
Oh.
you're here.
Oh,
All right.
the two of you make a great pairing.
Sure, we're getting along.
No. I think this is you.
That looks like that's for you. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I see.
Alright, good.
Okay,
Good.
we're about to face
Good.
off
Good.
with the Dragon Slayer.
Is that an actual name or a job title?
He was the Megalith's general and executioner of dragons during the war.
Sounds like some power metal lyric.
So, you ready for the boss battle?
Yeah. Let's go.
From the depths I come.
Roll back to your crypt or we'll make you. What'd she say?
Well then, it will be an honor to kill the world's last 2 dragons. Faith.
Don't let up!
Your demise only prolongs your suffering.
Alright, this is on you.
Yep, I see that.
Mio, I need help now!
Bless you.
Won't leave me alone.
Ouch. Ouch. Ouch.
Ow, I'm dead. Ow, I'm dead again. No.
Oh, okay. Thanks, man.
Fear not, foolish riders. A noble end awaits. Fear not.
He got it!
Non transibis. Punica. Halakan.
Come here, punk bitch.
What?
Accept your fate, foolish children.
Oh, I died.
I'll have your head for that!
Farewell.
Oh.
Witness my fury.
Ah!
You tried.
No!
Damn.
No! Okay, good.
Okay.
Oh, he's gonna do that thing. Yeah.
I show no mercy. Scale scum. Brave awaits you.
Yay, good job.
Woo.
Let's go.
Good girl! You're actually pretty cool. Shall we? After you!
But seriously, that was some fierce fighting, dragons.
The megalith won't be happy about losing his general.
But we sure are.
Burn that chain. Burn the chain. I wanna see if there's anything. No, nothing. Okay. Nothing.
Hey! That must
Side
be
story.
another side story.
Yeah, let's free it from Raider's grasp.
Okay. Go forth. Jump. Let's go.
You guys get a quick rest. We'll be right back.
All set?
All set.
All right. Where does this go?
Whoa. Do I feel lighter?
There's no place like space.
Space?
Space.
Space.
Space, 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 space,
Whoa,
space,
this
space,
is
space,
quite
space,
nice,
space, space.
Mia.
Oh, whoa!
It's therapeutic, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's so relaxing. Good for you, making this side story all come together.
Evacuate the station immediately.
Oh, why do I even bother? We need to reach an escape shuttle now.
Please, lead the way. What? Tight squeeze. Stay calm, Zoe.
Oh.
Get your suit. We're going for a little walk.
We're going outside? Holy.
Nice. Ooh.
Now we're slow walking and shit jumping. No.
Heavens, that's quite a view. Even better than I imagined. No! Don't leave without us! Get to the last shuttle. Unlock it. I think we need to hurry. Oh no! Oh, you gotta be kidding me! What do we do now? Run!
Oh. Oh.
Zoe, stay calm. Take slow breaths. My suit. It's making weird noises.
Oh no.
We have limited oxygen. We need to get to the shuttle. Oh dear.
Ow. Well, this isn't fucking stressful for me.
There's an oxygen tank over there.
Oh, I see. We gotta.
Now that's a breath of fresh air.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Now find that. Stay calm, or your oxygen will drop fast. Right. Happy thoughts. Happy thoughts. I see another oxygen tank.
What? What?
Come back.
Okay, easy does it.
Thank you.
Got it. There's the shuttle. Almost there.
Okay, fuck, we need to do this quickly now.
More relaxing start of this side story. Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh, I need to find. Okay,
Yeah, that's the one. No, that was the one.
Okay, I'll find. Okay.
Yeah.
Hurry. Help me out. On it. Strap in. Okay. Punch it.
I didn't like that.
This
I hated that.
beautiful, Mio.
Some nights I force myself to zoom out.
Zoom out.
The bigger the trouble, the bigger the zoom. It helps me see how insignificant some of my worries are.
Huh. Does it work?
It gives me some perspective. And enough room to breathe.
You do know there is no oxygen in space, though, right?
Now hold on.
Now hold on. Let me turn off the oxygen in the ship as well.
Oh, you want to be sassy with me? I know where the oxygen supply is.
Isn't that every kid's dream?
Then why didn't you?
Math sucks.
Sure.
All right, let's continue. We have a dragon realm to save. Pull harder and... Oh boy!
No.
Damn, didn't see us.
Boss fight?
Yup, I think he saw us.
Oh, okay.
Not good, not good! Go, go, go! How do we escape? There should be a cave! Good or wet?
I just fell down. Okay.
Everyone okay? Still in one piece. Good. We should be safe in here. Let's press on.
So, do you and Ella still hang out, like when you were kids?
Not really, but I talk to her daily.
Ball.
Bull. Ow.
Ball.
No.
No. Ah. Oh, shoot that one. Let's go. Whoa, fishes. Ghost fish. We can eat the fish.
Eat ghost fish. Egg.
Bound by regret and sorrow, all spirits dwell within this temple.
Oh, okay. So we have.
Alright, so what's the plan? We're here to reawaken them all from their ancient slumber.
Alright. I think you meant to go the other way. Yeah.
Which way?
On the plant, jump up to the platform.
Jump on the plant, the thing I was doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And go. Oh, that's not where I thought that would be. Okay.
Ah, shit. I need to quickly, like, reposition. Okay. Ready?
Ready. That was my fault. Ba-da-ba.
I can't do anymore. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, can I put... There we go. Bing bong.
Bing bong.
Where did you draw inspiration for this, Zoe?
Well, I suppose it's an ode to those we lost.
Fair enough.
Yeah, to my sister.
Where do we think this is going?
Sprayed the fig.
Ah.
That's on the timer.
Hold on. Where's...
It's further down over there.
I see it, yeah. Right.
Okay. Oh no. A bit closer.
Bro. Well, I died, but I'm coming. Nope.
Dumb.
Dumb. Hold on. Okay.
Wait, let me get in position. There we go. I love Spyro. This is basically just Spyro.
Not as comedic as Spyro.
Let's free that bad boy.
Right, this is... You go to the right, I go on the left.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna have to quickly like go on the other platform as well.
Okay.
Go. Go.
Do I reach that? No. Oh.
You have to get on it while...
I see. Yes. Okay.
Okay, so I have to...
Alright.
You have to do it whilst you're in midair.
Yep. Okay. Flying.
There we go.
Perfect. Bruh.
Oh! There we go.
There we go.
Magical whoosh. Whoa!
Oh, epic!
Epic.
Epic. Epic music.
Just to really cement that it is in fact epic.
So, if we continue to disobey Raider, what do you think he'll throw at us next?
Who knows? But he doesn't strike me as the type who takes
Gold.
no for an answer.
Yeah, I suspect this is about to get
See if you can
real
dissolve
ugly
it.
real fast.
See if what?
See if you can dissolve it. Damn.
Whoa! Check it out, Zoe. Another side story's up ahead.
Side story. Oh my god.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Candyland.
Candyland.
Let's see if it's gonna be as fucked up as the hot dog and pig one.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, a tooth. With teeth.
Okay, I'm officially done being surprised. I have no memory of creating this.
Let's go. Whoa.
But you know, it's nice to see a sweeter side of you that's not all existential dread and explosions.
Yeah, something's off.
This is when I took a lot of drugs.
Fucking honestly.
Yes! Now I
Oh, it's
remember.
okay.
Is it about your 5th birthday party?
That's more acceptable.
And it's the first story I ever wrote.
No, it's not. The rubber drugs.
We only dash. We don't double jump.
Uh oh. Okay, you know what?
Now that you mention it, this does look like a kid's sugar-rushed fever dream.
I was 5. What can you expect?
You nailed the hairstyle, though.
Holy shit. This is Game of the Year. This might be Game of the Year.
Our mission, Zoe? Light the birthday cake candles. To make a dream come true.
I don't recall the ending, but probably something silly like that.
Damn. No, from the beginning.
I love this one. This is great. Not as great as the snowboarding one, but this will do. This is great.
What's up, L-Tops? Hold my little hand. What hand?
Holy shit.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but let's climb a cake. Yeah.
Guys, this might be Game of the Year.
Guys, this might be Fall Guys.
Guys, this might be Fall Guys. Penis!
Yeah. Oh, I got launched.
Oh, surely all these sweets must have caught up with you. Well, now that you mention it, I got a toothache once and... You know what? Never mind.
Is square not dash? Am I crazy?
No, square is dash, yeah.
Okay. Can I dash as the tooth?
Yeah, that's the thing that we're doing.
Well, it's... Okay, that one's fine. Oh, motherfucker!
Not the gumbo. Or whatever the fuck that is. I think that's the jailbreaker. Let's go! Just dash. Uh-oh. Be careful with the strawberries.
This cake is not as sweet as it looks. Woo! I'm the front tooth, baby! Ooh, let's light some candles and celebrate my birthday.
What the fuck? Uh-huh.
Wait a minute. Oh no.
The dentist will see you now.
That's crazy.
Wish.
It had to be creepy. It's Mio.
Oh my god!
Now, which one of you needs to be yanked?
What?
Help!
Up and down, side to side, inside and out, open wide.
How did you forget about this dentist? You can't blame me for suppressing this horror!
Oh, do you want that breath?
What?
Oh, I see. Boop.
Is there anything specific that he did? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, his ground pound.
It's true, this is what the dentist... It's exactly... This is... Get on the hand.
Get on the hand.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. No!
Always trust your dentist. This will get on your nerves.
Hey, let me out!
No! Fuck, I lost it. Shit. Okay.
Rude.
Who's a brave girl?
Oh.
You might feel a slight bang.
Oh. Oh no. No.
I'm just... Listen. I'm trying my best.
Oh no.
Let's take you for a little spin. Whee! Oh, are you feeling dizzy?
Crazy, I hate getting tripped by the dentist. I don't if my partner is a dentist.
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
Let me go!
Tap, tap. Brace yourselves.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
Whites.
Oh, what the fuck? Hey, you gotta
Yeah.
survive.
Yeah, the game has done it to me all the time.
Alright, get his hand.
I got it!
Hold on, sorry. I do apologize.
Bruh.
The child!
We just died.
The child requires attention. The child requires attention.
I also require you to pay attention.
I am paying attention. What the fuck do you mean? What the fuck? What did you do? Brother, that is your bear skin. How the fuck do you manage
I
to
thought
do
he was
that?
a cat.
Shut up. Okay.
Did he lick himself bald?
He might have.
Where is it at?
Like, it's not like Monso, like, licked himself bald. It's just behind his ear. It's like
He might
plaited.
have.
It's like plaited.
It's like
there.
what?
It's like plaited there, and it's just. I don't know how. It's just like a relative bald spot.
He might have just been rubbing on stuff too much.
Maybe.
Or scratching too much.
This is like the baldest area I've seen of his.
It's quite possible there was a mat there and he just kind of like dug at it.
Maybe. I need to get him a dentist, and maybe I'll try to get that shit sorted tomorrow. Or not dentist, but the hairdressers.
Mm-hmm.
You need to go to the fucking hairdressers, don't you? Stinky.
Stinky.
Yeah, we need to shave that fucking winter fur out, dude.
Yeah. He needs it to be gone.
Can you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
You have anything else to say? Anything else? No. Okay. You need to go. I have a video game to play. Mm-hmm. Hello, Cheryl. Hope you're doing well. Okay. I love you. However, I've got games to play. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Over here. Over here. Oh.
Well, that was gruesome.
Mio, what was that about? What? Huh? That dentist had it coming. Let's just get back to the portal. Do you have any idea how scared I was when I was a kid? After all of this? Yeah.
We'll see you now.
Run!
We'll see you now. The dentist will see you now. The dentist will see you now.
Complete all the side stories. Hey, we did it.
Really? So are we? Is this the last world?
I think so.
Dang.
Should we just push on until we finish this then?
Yeah.
But who doesn't? No one. Not a single person.
Well, I'm guessing we have this and then probably one more in the overworld.
Unless you want to finish this now and then we try to finish it next week.
Sounds like someone never got a
Not if it's only going to be like an hour.
Well, that's the thing, I don't know.
Just keep pressing on.
Okay. Oh.
Huh. Gummy bear turned into a fruit? That can only mean that we've cleansed it from the simulation. I got to keep the nightmare. Yay.
Let's go.
You know what? If becoming a writer doesn't work out, maybe I should become an architect. Ooh, if so, can I be in charge of the demolition? You have my blessing.
Okay, so I don't need to look for the
Who's that angry turtle? It's the treasure traitor! And it's not a turtle,
Uh-oh.
it's a tortoise! Whatever.
Needs to be on the left. Ow. What? Yeah.
Spray it, Mio! Your turn! Dash it down! You can run, but you can't hide! Don't let it escape! Hurry!
I'm trying, man. I'm not as fast as you.
In the name of the realm, stop!
Oh.
Oh, okay, there I am.
Wee. Yeah. Oh. This is on me. If I can... Hello? Yes!
Hamster wheel of havoc! Remind me, who's the evil tortoise? Along with the now deceased Dragon Slayer, the treasure traitor is an ally to the megalith.
So, the sword guy was more of a general. This guy meddled with the finances?
Exactly. The collapse of the dragon government was the tortoise's doing.
What?
Piss off. Wee.
Nope.
Should probably get on.
Death by drawbridge.
Stand out of the way.
Okay, we're getting closer to the Golden Palace. Hence all the security measures. It makes sense, right?
Let's go.
Purple ball. Quite off, but pretty. That's Ella's favorite color.
Oh shit.
That's where the Dragon Slayer's feet went. Come on, we've got this!
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
Final
Easy.
resting place for the primordial dragon mother. Check out those golden grills. Thanks, Neo. Thanks.
Okay, you go first. Let's go.
Fancy.
Oh boy.
Got it! Find solid ground!
Good job.
Yippee.
Lots of human coming! Anatomy action!
No. No.
Come on!
Yeah. Good job.
Post at the temple entrance.
Yippee.
Good. Dragon Ella and I hunger for battle. So, we're here to forge ourselves some swords. You
Oh my
hand me a
God.
sword, I will find you violence. There's our little friend again.
Not again. Okay.
The hour of reckoning is upon you, traitor! Nowhere to
Okay.
Aim for his head, I think.
Ready to rock, Neo? Hell yeah! Time to face the consequences of your foul deeds!
Stupid fucking turtle. Up. 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 Oh, okay, they're just gonna be stuck there.
You finally met your match! Release me from this pesky prison! This is for every dragon you betrayed! Zoe, get me out of here!
Oh shit.
What? Hold on.
We're sending you to the hell where you belong!
Ah! Nope. Really pinned me in there.
Show him true power!
Let's go. No head.
No head.
L. Ow.
Ah.
Your puny efforts won't defeat the last two dragons!
Ow.
Dragon strike that traitor!
Get him.
What? Ah.
Come on, Neo, let's crush this tortoise! We need to drown the traitor in boiling gold!
Wait, are we gonna torture this tortoise?
Oh,
Don't worry, it's like dropping a lobster into boiling water.
crazy.
They say that's inhumane. They feel a lot of pain from it. Wait, they do? Final push, Neo. Okay, let's do this. Ta-ta, traitor.
Why do they always have to add, like, at least one thing where it's like, yeah, no, we're gonna torture this innocent creature?
Yeah, it's like very morally questionable. We had the fucking elephant in It Takes Two.
Which was its own entire section. At least this was just like, all right, he's in the molten lava. Oh well. Don't think about it too hard.
This place is massive, Zoe.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty dope.
Okay.
Oh.
Gold
Thy
dragons!
weapon and take flight. Slay the beast in the sky.
Oh.
They turned themselves into swords.
Mia, your hand.
Yeah, but cool swords.
But I want dragons.
Also, I like how the last two dragons just turned themselves into swords. Crazy.
Yeah.
Oh no,
Oh,
never mind.
never mind. Great. Gold dragons. Let's go.
Holy shit! Cool, right? Wow! This is insane! Okay, follow my lead.
Big dragon.
Remember, approach her with care and make sure you...
Oh, good girl. You were saying?
No, nothing.
Then let's unleash hell.
Let's do it!
But let's commit genocide.
Oh, it's not.
It's not. But I feel like Mia would like genuinely behave like that.
Yes, nice shot! Woohoo!
Alright, let me go through. It's my turn.
So where's our target? Beyond the next passage!
Alright, I'm aiming for the right eye.
Arms to the teeth! Literally!
Oh, you're next. Oh! Okay.
We're by your side! Attack!
Let's see. Oh, I'm absolutely fucking ramming that tail.
It ends now! No mercy! Bring it on!
Oh.
Buckle up, Mio! Yeah, we're with you! Falcon dive!
Oh no. Oh shit, this is you. And this is me.
Stay on course! Together we stand!
Why are they talking like they're in like a war?
Don't let him escape! Not on our watch!
Oh.
Stay on target, Mio!
Oh no. And next.
Push it to the top! Full speed! Whoa! What's that glowing thing?
Oh.
Zoe? We've reached its lair! Right. But where did it go? Just stay alert!
Magnus! Welcome back to Babushka's house. You still my child slash grandchild. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you very much for the resub. Appreciate it. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. What waifu slash bundle would you like? And if you would like any. And how you doing? Hope you're doing well. Oh shit. Sexy shrimp. In a quick second. But I will as soon as I can. All dragons die.
They better not have.
Doing great, just getting over being a bit poorly. That's fair. Well, I hope you're doing better now. At least a lot better now. Well, let's go. Oh. Okay, our dragons are fine. We're good. Dragons! Thank you.
Acid drive-by. Woo, that's my girl. Damn critters! Focus, focus!
No shit.
Keep pushing through! Hold on!
Bro, I love God of War.
Brutal! More spikes! Move it!
Thank you.
Come on, chop it down!
I do love that we're just breaking his zits. Whoa! Holy! What the fuck?
Go.
Whoa! That's a fucking bit brutal. Holy!
That is brutal. This story is definitely her most brutal.
Yeah. And this is meant to be like her twin sister, by the way.
Final push, Mio! Hell yeah! Hold on tight!
Okay. Oh! That was phenomenal.
Let's end this!
Did we need to like synchronize it?
Yeah, we did. It's okay, we got there.
Is it over? Yeah! We better move!
There we go. Roll credits, roll Minecraft credits. That was great. And the dragon defeated. Okay, quick. Just quickly need to.
You okay, Mio? We are.
where we say goodbye, my scaled friend. Now fly!
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Live free.
Go make babies. Replenish the dragon population.
I really needed this.
Wow, you enjoyed something?
I realize it myself, but I kind of needed a break from all of my own dark thoughts.
Well, that's why I wrote this story. Ella would have loved it.
Would have.
Yeah,
Bro, what?
I lost her when we were 12.
What?
Oh my god, dead
It was
sister.
an accident. We were playing and... one minute she was there and the next she wasn't. After that, everything changed.
What the fuck is that meant to mean?
We became hollow.
Did she just magically disappear?
My childhood, me.
She got bridged into the Bithiad.
Fucking apparently.
In this story, you made sure you both survived.
Also, the fact that Mio didn't fucking, like, she was like, oh, your sister's dead? Like, I felt like it was obvious.
I just hoped.
No, she did say, oh, we talk every day.
Does it?
No.
Hey. Hey. This whole story, this whole adventure, it's such a beautiful way to honor your sister.
What do you mean?
I mean, you wrote Ella like a complete badass dragon. Hell, that is exactly how I wish I would be remembered one day.
I just wanted to write her a different ending.
Oh, you did something way more epic than that. Look at all of this. It's amazing.
Also, I don't think they should repopulate considering they are, you know,
We can stay a bit more if you want.
siblings.
No.
I guess.
I'm okay, let's continue.
Then let's get to it.
Good job. I have to leave because of D&D.
Mio?
Okay, Kazan, thank you much for stopping by. Have fun with D&D and take care of yourself. Okay,
That was
pause
the
this
best
real
roll.
quick. That was really good. I need to pause for a second. I need to find sexy shrimp.
Sexy shrimp.
God, what I would do to just like reset the operating system and just remove everything and start from the beginning.
Say that again? What?
What I would do to just fucking factory reset my PC.
It'd be a pain in the butt.
It would.
You'd better sit down, Raider.
Raider, sit.
You've lost control.
And we need you to step aside.
You have no idea what you're doing.
The subjects are still inside the machine.
You can't do this! Take caution with your tone.
This is my machine. I've spent 20 years of my life building it, and no one is going to take it away from me. Nobody!
It's already happened.
How can you all be
Do they
so
do their mouths
short-sighted?
not move
This
to
close
for
to
you as well?
completing my machine.
They move a little bit.
We'll dominate the entire
Okay,
market.
because they don't for me.
We've already dispatched the team to take over.
No!
They're on their way as we speak.
Yeah, they move.
You three can go to hell!
God damn.
That doesn't end the call, Raider. That just broke your monitor.
Whoa. Okay, I think we're breaking out pretty damn soon. Hopefully.
I think we're breaking out now, actually.
They found another glitch, sir.
The machine won't be able to take another hit.
I am not losing this fight. There must be something, anything we can do.
You can go inside yourself.
No, it's too risky.
Speak up!
If we accelerate the machine to full power, we could potentially push them into their subconscious, sir.
That is too dangerous. We can't guarantee their safety.
Fuck
Maybe
their
not,
safety.
But it would set them off track, though.
Unbiased time to restore the machine. Yes, that's it. Set it up.
But sir, we don't know if their minds can handle the procedure.
I don't care! Set it up!
Right away, sir.
Good luck finding the glitch in the maze of your own subconscious.
Are we going into the subconscious?
Come on, let's go!
Oh!
We're
Oh!
balls!
We're balls! Holy. We're not balls, damn.
Darn.
Oh, my head is pounding. Yeah. Feels like a mean jet lag. And who are these guys? Beats me. So now we're stuck in the subconscious.
Okay, how?
By the looks of it, my subconscious. Can I assume you don't have the faintest idea of where we are or what we might encounter?
From here on out, your guess is as good as mine.
Do they want us to follow them?
Seems like it.
Then into the maze we go.
We still do have like a decent chunk left.
Oh, okay. I'm
So-
assuming we're gonna go through both subconscious then.
Probably. Okay. Should we end it here then?
Sure.
Since this is like a new world, technically. Oh god. What a game.
What a game.
What a game.
What game? That last world has definitely been my favorite.
I enjoyed the last world. I'm trying to think like what other worlds there are, just full stop. Like
I liked the first Neo
Is that the one with like the laser, like whip and
Yes.
the sword?
I think. Yes.
Like the one where you had to like go from like one gravity to another, and I had to like
driving the car with the
yeah.
I think that's been my favorite Mio world.
I can't think at the top of my head what the worlds were anymore. Genuinely
fair.
cannot
I mean,
remember.
They're all incredibly similar, so it's just kind of either it's Mio world
or it's Zoe world.
Zoe world.
Yeah. It's a little bit confusing.
Well, if we have time next stream, we can like look at them and be like, oh yeah, this was good or not good.
Yeah. I'll probably like look back at the VODs and be like, this was good, this was not good. Or we could just see the mission list and be like, oh yeah, this was this one.
Yeah.
We'll see. Anyway, we are going to finish the stream here. It is that time. We are I think next week might be the last. No, it might not be the last session, depending on how quick the last kind of section is going to be. Question mark.
You think we have over 4 hours left?
Well, hold on. So, how long is Split Fiction? 14 to 16 hours. And we're currently on 9.8.
Dang. I didn't think we had that much left.
Maybe 2 more streams, possibly. Like 1.5 and 1.5 world and then 1.5 world, or yeah, I don't know.
I really thought we were about to have like an hour for Mio, an hour for Zoe, and then we were done.
No. And this is also like taken into the fact that says whether like we're doing the side stories and not. So
Well, we don't have any more side stories, so.
yeah, but we were doing side stories like all the way, so.
Well, yeah.
That means we're probably gonna take a longer time. It's probably gonna take 16 hours. Okay. However, anyway. Yeah, so we're probably gonna finish the game in 2 weeks' time, probably, unless we really like push next week.
We'll see.
We'll see. Anyway, we're gonna finish the stream here. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you all have a wonderful day / night / whatever time zone you're in. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, but most importantly, take care of yourselves, you beautiful, fantastic, amazing, spectacular, cute, other home, and just purely fantabulous beings that live in this plane of existence. I genuinely forgot. I blanked out on what I say at the end. Tomorrow is Monday, which means I'm going to be taking the day off tomorrow. And so the next stream is going to be on Tuesday. Next stream is going to be on Tuesday, and we're going to continue Last of Us. And then I'm probably not going to stream on Wednesday as well. I'm probably not going to stream on Wednesday as well because I need to wake up early on Thursday because I have the practical exam, practical driving test on Thursday, so I want to, you know, mentally be prepared for that. So yeah, basically tomorrow no stream, Tuesday stream, Wednesday no stream, and then I'll just keep you guys updated pretty much. Anyway, I love you and leave you all for tonight. Take care of yourself, sleep well, have a wonderful rest of your night, and good night. Bye bye. Take care.